Alright guys, is it working? Okay, we're back. So this time I've come up with a really cool new idea for something fun to eat. We've got some hash browns here, some cheeseburgers and some bacon. And we're going to put this together into a delicious new kind of sandwich. Watch this, it's going to be so cool. So we put that on top, and then we're going to take some ketchup. Oh! The ketchup always makes like that farting noise when it opens. It's kind of funny. And we put some like bacon on there. Maybe these slices of bacon were too big, but if you've got too much bacon, that's not really a problem. Alright, and we put that on there. Look at that bad boy. And then we're going to put together another one over here. So we can get the cheeseburger there. Put the cheeseburger on. And get our delicious bacon slices. Just kind of put those on there. And, for this one, we'll put the ketchup on top of the bacon. No, we got to do it properly. Tried and tested. Follow it properly. Now we put the ketchup on there. This is some new ketchup. This is going to be good. There we go. Put the bacon on it. Alright. A big slice there. That's going to be delicious. And now what you have here are, I guess they're like bacon cheeseburger hash brown sandwiches. We'll have to think of a shorter name, but really what they are is they're delicious, and I can't wait to take a bite out of them and get into them. They're going to be great, guys.